Hey guys, welcome back. So today's a huge day, a monumental day, and it includes zero siding.
It's a day we've all been waiting for.
I can't wait.
So excited. I know you guys are going to be excited. We are going to pick up and install the windows that go on the main front A section of the house that faces the mountain range.
Yeah, so all the windows are going to go into today and tomorrow.
Yes.
So they're all going to go in. Fantastic, right?
Yep, we've got some cutting out to do, flashing the windows,
Yep.
installing the windows.
Yep.
Got to get that scaffolding outside.
Yeah.
I had forgotten about that.
No big deal. We'll make it work.
Yes, so it's going to be busy, but it's going to pay off. And I mean, this is...
It's going to change the entire look of the front of the house when
I
you pull
know.
up. So I'm happy.
Yes, we're really excited. So yeah, that's it. We're going to hit the road, head to town. Before we do that, I'm going to shamelessly plug our hats and shirts. As you guys know, Black Friday is coming up and Bunker Branding is offering a buy one shirt, get 50% off of a shirt using the coupon code BOGO WILD. So we will put that in the video description below for you guys. Go check it out. We appreciate your views. It might be, you know, 10 or 15 minutes out of your day watching our videos, but it makes a huge difference in our family.
Definitely does.
We're so grateful for that time you spend, and we're grateful for you guys purchasing our merchandise because that helps our family as well. So thank you guys. Check out Bunker Branding, check out their deal, and let's go. Let's start this day.
Let's hit the road.
The beginning of the amazing view, right?
Yes.
Carter, how long have you waited for this?
Forever.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Like a shift in the flow, a change coming, it's inevitable.
This again.
These look good doing it though, you know?
Hope I don't feel sick this time.
Oh, you will. all the house that was down. It was up there temporarily to protect all the OSB and everything from all the elements. It did its job for what, 8 or 9 months.
Yes.
Unfortunately, it's no good. We can't use it anymore, so we tore it all down,
Yep.
right?
Yep. You can see how faded it is.
Yes.
Like Josh said, it was just to temporarily protect everything.
Yep.
Now we are finally ready to get these windows in, so it's time for that to come off, for some fresh OSB to go up.
And then we're gonna tape around the openings and put the windows in.
Yes. So yeah, you can see that we have our trusty lift rental machine that is back.
Yeah.
We're not up as high in the air on this part of the house as we were when we were doing the dormer roof, so
Nope.
it hasn't been that bad with like the swaying and whatnot. Last time it made me sick. I feel pretty good this time. So
Yep, so I know originally we were gonna plan on doing a scaffold up front.
Yes.
We picked the windows up yesterday, and one of the windows up top is like 3 times as heavy as the biggest window we have on that side. So
Yeah.
didn't really feel safe to go ahead and shimmy up that scaffold and pull all that stuff up there
Yes.
and throw it in. So we rented this. This thing, the basket's rated for like 500 pounds. I'm 165, 170, maybe 175 pushing. Aaron's 6'2", 250. So we're still pushing the limit just a little bit with a window on there, but
Yes.
we'll be okay.
yeah, we'll be okay. I had Josh diet from his little Debbie cake habit for the past 2 weeks, so you know I think he's cut weight just in time, right, Josh?
Yes, so
Yeah.
we're right under the 500-pound mark.
Yep. All right, so time to get up there, flash the windows, and pop the windows in.
All right, let's go. So we're gonna put the windows on this and this. I can put all my weight on this one guy that holds it up. The windows don't weigh that much, so having 2 is plenty enough, so we should be good.
You're just rotating right now, right?
Get up high.
I'm gonna try. That was the one I was most worried about, but it went up just fine. It was the heaviest, so
The biggest and the heaviest, so it worked out great.
it did. On to the next one.
Just got up, something's wrong. I waited up with wounds on my feet. Where will you be? Flickering through memories, Polaroids yellowed in the sun, longing to be seen. So come and hide, hide with me, hide with me, hide with me. Come and hide, hide with me, hide with me, hide with me.
Okay guys, so some good and bad today.
So the windows are in, right?
Yes. Yeah, and they went in fairly simply.
Yep.
Getting the lift was a win. That was a very smart move.
Yes, a lot better than that scaffold.
Yes, much safer, much more efficient. So I'm glad that we went ahead and spent the money and did that.
Yep, so if you look in the windows now, up to the very top peak, my plan was to close that off. Aaron always wanted to put a window there. But once we got the windows in,
Josh realized I was right.
true. Go up in the loft and look out. It needs to be a triangle window up there, not just blocked off like my plan was. So I got to order that window.
Yes, but that's okay. We weren't sure what we wanted to do. Now we know what we want to do. So we'll go ahead and get that covered for now, ready so that we can put the window in once it does come in. But other than that,
I think it all looks amazing though.
it does. It's beautiful. It's changed the whole face of the house.
Yes, it did.
The exterior looks beautiful. The interior looks beautiful. We have so much more light in there, and the view that we've just, always dreamed of having. So it's really exciting.
Yes.
So now for the bad.
Yes, the craftsmanship by Jeld-Wen is, I'm not sure how it passed quality control, in my opinion.
It's really upsetting.
Yeah.
So this is not towards the company that we actually bought the windows from. That
No.
It's towards the manufacturer of the windows, if that makes sense.
Well, this caulk in every corner, all around the windows, we got to cut out and get it all taken out. There's caulk on the trim, there's caulk everywhere. It came, like the guy who did it was either drunk or didn't care about his job anymore. It's pretty awful.
And some of the windows that we had gotten had the film on them to protect the windows, and then other ones didn't have it on them. So all the triangle windows were just a complete disaster.
Yes.
They're a mess. There's one in particular, this one right here behind
Top right
us
corner
is an absolute disaster. That caulk is
left corner,
smeared.
right corner, whatever.
Absolutely all over it. And so I guess what's really frustrating about this is, as you guys know, we are paying for the build with cash as we go. Our hard-earned money that we have saved for years to make this dream come true. And these windows were expensive. We put a lot of money and time into this. So for them to come in and just it's like they don't even care about their customers. This is, the families' homes that these windows are going into, and it's I don't know. I just feel like they should have put more care into them. So I'm disappointed. We always tell you guys if we, love a product or a brand, or if we don't. And we didn't have a good experience here.
No, they look good. When you get up close and look at all the corners, there's caulk everywhere. There's caulk just seeping out every corner, and it's all exposed for us to come through. We got to cut it all out. That should have been done in the factory, and it should have been found and caught by the quality control guy. Nothing went through. There's no quality control, in my opinion, on that. So
there's also paint missing. Some of the paint on the metal wrapping that's on the exterior, which will get covered by our siding, but what won't get covered is the missing or scratched off paint on the wood on the interior framing, which
it came all wrapped in plastic.
Yes.
Nothing damaged. So looking at it, it didn't have any damage during shipping whatsoever.
Right.
So it was inside the manufacturer, them doing a piss poor job painting it.
Yes.
What it is.
And for us, we've waited a really long time to get these windows in. We don't have another 4 or 6 weeks, plus say having them be back ordered another 2 times like they were with these sets of windows that we've gotten. We can't wait. Winter's here. We can't wait and go ask them to have it made better next time for it to come back, and who knows, maybe we would have the same problems again. We'd have to go and rent another machine again. We've driven 2 hours both ways 3 different times to go get these all of these windows.
It's 2 hours each way.
Yes. Yeah, so 2 hours each way. 3 different times.
Yep.
So I don't know, my feelings are hurt, I would say.
It's all right. We'll be all right.
It looks great.
It's all right.
My feelings are hurt because it was a big investment for the windows, and I feel like they just didn't put any care into them. They just kind of slapped them together and sent them out. And so that's what bothers me, because when people are looking for a company, that company should have their customers' best interest in mind and be giving them a quality product. These are custom made windows.
Correct.
So that's what my beef is.
It's like buying a car and spending a lot of money for it, a small car, and it comes completely damaged.
Yes, all scratched up.
Yeah.
So
I get it.
Anyways.
What else?
Nothing.
On the light side, the window's done except for the top part. So now that those windows are in, the sliding glass door needs to come out next.
Yes.
We got French doors coming in for that, so we're gonna scrap that door and put some better doors in so everything matches and flows. Because right now, that silver sliding glass door just
It was a
Ain't doing the job.
freebie off of Craigslist. We put it in so we could maintain some of the view while everything else was blocked off. Now we need to need to buy a door that's going to look nice and match everything. So
Yes.
at the end of the day, it's beautiful. We can live with it.
Yep.
You know what I mean? We're happy. I mean, it's opened everything up inside, and
Looks great.
it does look great. It's really coming together, so that's exciting. So
Yep, and to everybody, happy Thanksgiving.
yes, happy Thanksgiving. If you spent some time with us on your Thanksgiving, then thank you guys so much. And I guess that's it. Be sure that you check out Bunker Branding for their sale of the buy one, get one 50% off on shirts.
Yep.
You can use our code of the BOGO Wild. And yes, that's it. We appreciate you guys.
Yep, thanks guys. Happy Thanksgiving. We'll see you guys next time.
See ya.